Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to improve your grip strength in only 1 minute a day. That's right, if you only have 1 minute a day to dedicate towards improving your grip strength, you can make it happen. I'm going to go over a very simple method, and hopefully this will help you improve your grip strength, get stronger and better grip overall in literally a minute a day. And if you have more time, that's even better, but hopefully it'll help you in just a minute a day. So here's what you got to do. I'm going to get straight to the point. I'm going to keep this video short, simple, short, sweet, simple, and get straight to the point. So without further ado, here's what you have to do. I almost did a little bit of a rhyme there. Anyways, this is what you got to do. You have to find something that you can grab and release on a daily basis, okay? And basically, when you have that thing, and I'll go over some examples in a moment, when you have that thing, you want to grip it for a few seconds and then release it. And just repeat it over and over again for about 1 minute. So grip it for a few seconds, release it. Grip it for a few seconds, release it. Do that over and over again for about a minute every day. Now, what you're gripping can be virtually anything, to be honest with you, okay? I'm in my vehicle now, so I'm just looking in front of me. I didn't write this down as an example when I made my little notes for this video, but I'm looking in the vehicle right now and I see a steering wheel. I could do it with the steering wheel, right? Let's say before I was gonna go into work, or before I was gonna go into a meeting, or before I was gonna go into anything, or before I was gonna go into my house after work, whatever the case is, I could grip and release the steering wheel, okay? Grip it for a few seconds and release it for about a minute a day. But some of the examples that I wrote down are you can do it with a can. So you can literally get a can and just grip and release it. You can do a work bag handle. So if you have like a work bag or a laptop bag or like some sort of, bag that you bring to work, you can literally do this as you're walking. And obviously don't release the handle completely because then it's going to drop. But you can grip it and loosen your grip. Grip it, loosen your grip. Grip it, loosen your grip. Same thing with the can. If you have a can of corn or a can of peas, you don't want to release it completely because then it might drop. So you can grip it, loosen your grip. Grip it, loosen your grip. Another example is even a door handle. So this literally opens it up to anyone being able to do it easily because everyone's got access to a door handle of some sort, okay? So same thing with the door handle. You grip it and release it. Now, with a door handle, you can probably grip it and completely release it because the door is going to stay put, right? So use your judgment, use your common sense, but the idea is to grip and release something, okay? So grip and then release that grip for over and over again for about a minute every day. And I went over examples of what you can grip and release. And obviously, if you're holding on to something and you don't want it to drop, make sure when you're gripping it, when you actually release it, you're not fully releasing it because then it might drop, right? You can also hold it with the other hand and grip and release it, and you're holding it with this hand to keep it from dropping. You have to use your judgment, but the idea is to grip and release or grip and loosen your grip for about a minute a day on basically anything that you can grip, okay? And that should hopefully help you improve your overall grip strength and your overall grip. And that's it. Hopefully you like this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.